Are you curious to learn about the fluids women release during sex? What exactly is that fluid released during orgasm? In this video, we're going to break down the science behind female ejaculation, vaginal lubrication, and what's really inside that fluid. Stick around, because this is information every woman and partner should know. Female orgasm and the fluids associated with it are often surrounded by confusion and misconceptions. So, what happens during orgasm? Is it the same for every woman? And what is that fluid? Today, we're answering all these questions with science-based answers. The female orgasm is a complex and beautiful physiological response. It involves a symphony of sensations and physical changes. During orgasm, many women experience the release of fluids. Understanding these fluids can enhance your self-knowledge and can even improve your intimate experiences. There are two primary types of fluids released during female sexual arousal and orgasm: vaginal lubrication and female ejaculation. While both are perfectly natural, they originate from different glands and serve different purposes. In the following sections, we'll delve into the science behind these fluids. We'll explore their composition, debunk common myths, and empower you with knowledge about your body. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Section 1. What are the fluids released during orgasm? 1. Vaginal lubrication. It is a natural process that occurs throughout a woman's life. It's essential for sexual comfort and plays a crucial role in reproductive health. This lubrication is primarily produced by the Bartholin's glands, two small glands located on either side of the vaginal opening. When aroused, these glands secrete a clear, slippery fluid that moistens the vagina. This natural lubricant reduces friction during intercourse, making the experience more pleasurable for both partners. Vaginal lubrication also helps protect delicate vaginal tissues from irritation and damage. It's important to remember that every woman's body is different. Some women naturally produce more lubrication than others. Factors like stress, medication, and hormonal fluctuations can also affect lubrication levels. If you experience vaginal dryness, it's essential to consult with your doctor. They can help determine the cause and recommend appropriate solutions, such as lubricants or hormone therapy. 2. Female ejaculation. While vaginal lubrication is relatively well known, it is a natural response of the body to sexual arousal, helping to reduce friction and enhance pleasure during intercourse. Female ejaculation remains a topic shrouded in mystery and misconception. Many people, including women themselves, are often unsure about what it entails and how it differs from other bodily responses. Female ejaculation, often referred to as squirting, is the expulsion of fluid from the urethra during sexual stimulation or orgasm. This phenomenon has been documented throughout history, yet it still sparks curiosity and debate. This fluid is distinct from vaginal lubrication and originates from the Skene's glands, also known as the paraurethral glands. These glands are sometimes likened to the male prostate due to their similar function in fluid production. The Skene's glands are located around the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. They play a crucial role in the process of female ejaculation, contributing to the fluid that is expelled. During sexual arousal, these glands can produce a fluid that is expelled through the urethra. This fluid is often clear and can vary in quantity, sometimes being mistaken for urine due to its point of exit. It's important to note that not all women experience ejaculation, and the amount of fluid released can vary greatly. Some women may release a small amount, while others may experience a more noticeable expulsion. For some women, ejaculation is a regular occurrence, while others may only experience it occasionally or not at all. This variability is completely normal and should be embraced as part of the diverse spectrum of female sexual experiences. There is no right or wrong when it comes to this aspect of female sexuality. Each woman's body is unique, and her experiences with ejaculation are just one part of her overall sexual health and well-being. The key is to understand your own body and embrace its unique responses. By fostering self-awareness and body positivity, women can better appreciate their own sexual experiences and communicate their needs and desires with their partners. Section 2. The composition of female ejaculate. What's inside the fluid? One of the most common misconceptions surrounding female ejaculation is that the fluid is simply urine. However, scientific studies have debunked this myth. Research has shown that female ejaculate is chemically distinct from urine. While both fluids contain trace amounts of urea, a waste product found in urine, the primary component of female ejaculate is a prostate-specific antigen, or PSA. PSA is an enzyme also found in high concentrations in male semen. The presence of PSA in female ejaculate suggests that the Skene's glands may have a similar function to the male prostate gland. Further research is needed to fully understand the role of PSA in female sexual response. Section 3. The science behind female ejaculation. Separating fact from fiction. Despite increasing research on female sexual health, there is still much to learn about female ejaculation. This topic has been shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood, leading to a mix of myths and facts that need to be clarified. However, several studies have provided valuable insights into this phenomenon. These studies have helped demystify the process and bring scientific rigor to a subject often clouded by misinformation. One study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that the fluid expelled during female ejaculation originates from the Skene's glands, not the bladder. This finding is crucial as it dispels the common misconception that female ejaculation is merely urine. The researchers used ultrasound imaging to observe the pelvic organs of women before, during, and after sexual stimulation. This method allowed them to track changes in real time and provided concrete visual evidence of the process. They found that the Skene's glands became engorged with fluid during arousal, and this fluid was expelled through the urethra during ejaculation. This discovery highlights the physiological changes that occur in the female body during sexual arousal and climax. Another study published in the same journal investigated the chemical composition of female ejaculate. Understanding the chemical makeup of this fluid can provide further insights into its role and significance. The researchers collected samples of fluid from women who reported experiencing ejaculation. This step was essential to ensure that the samples were representative and could be analyzed accurately. They found that the fluid contained high levels of PSA, confirming earlier findings. PSA, or prostate-specific antigen, is a protein also found in male ejaculate, suggesting a similar biological function. These studies provide compelling evidence that female ejaculation is a real and distinct physiological response. The presence of PSA and the role of the Skene's glands are key factors that differentiate it from other bodily fluids. Further research is needed to fully elucidate the mechanisms involved and the potential role of ejaculate in female sexual health. Understanding these mechanisms could lead to better sexual health education and more informed medical advice for women experiencing these phenomena. Section 4. Debunking the myths. Clearing up common misconceptions. In this section, we aim to shed light on some of the most pervasive myths and misunderstandings that have clouded the topic of female ejaculation for far too long. Misinformation and cultural taboos have contributed to the perpetuation of myths surrounding female ejaculation. These myths often stem from a lack of comprehensive education and open discussion about female sexuality. Let's address some of the most common misconceptions that have been circulating for years and provide clarity on this natural phenomenon. Myth: female ejaculation is the same as urine. This is one of the most widespread and persistent myths. Fact: while both fluids exit through the urethra, female ejaculate has a different chemical composition than urine. This distinction is crucial for understanding the unique nature of female ejaculation. As mentioned earlier, research has shown that female ejaculate contains high levels of PSA, an enzyme not typically found in urine. This scientific evidence helps to debunk the myth and provides a clearer understanding of the physiological processes involved. Another common myth is that all women ejaculate. Fact: ejaculation is a normal part of sexual response for some women, but not all women experience it. It's important to recognize that every woman's body is different, and there is a wide range of normal when it comes to sexual responses. There is no right or wrong when it comes to this aspect of female sexuality. Each woman's experience is unique, and all experiences are valid. Myth: female ejaculation is a sign of sexual promiscuity. This myth is not only false, but also harmful. Fact: this is a harmful and baseless stereotype. Associating female ejaculation with promiscuity perpetuates negative and inaccurate views about women's sexuality. Ejaculation is a natural physiological response and should not be associated with a woman's sexual history or character. It's essential to separate these natural bodily functions from moral judgments. By dispelling these myths and promoting accurate information, we can foster a more open and positive dialogue about female sexuality. Education and understanding are key to breaking down these barriers and encouraging a healthier, more accepting view of female sexual health. Section 5. Practical tips for understanding and communicating. So, how can you approach this topic in a healthy way, whether it's for yourself or with a partner? Here are a few practical tips. 1. Embrace diversity. Remember, every woman's body is different. Not all women experience female ejaculation, and that's okay. The focus should be on comfort and communication during intimacy. 1. Communicate openly. If you're curious or unsure, talk to your partner about it. Open, non-judgmental communication can enhance mutual understanding and improve your sexual experience. 1. Relax and enjoy the experience. Stress and anxiety can affect how the body responds during sex. Focus on relaxation, trust, and being present with your partner. In conclusion, the fluid released during orgasm is a natural part of the female sexual response, whether it's lubrication or female ejaculation. Understanding your own body and communicating with your partner can make a world of difference in your sexual experiences. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wellness Galore for more health and wellness insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Next of